Aven's Spzv-50 stereo zoom microscope systems with integrated Eidos 4K imaging, a complete all-in-one inspection solution. Designed to deliver sharp, high-contrast 3D visuals with a wide field of view and smooth continuous zoom, this system provides the benefit of viewing images in 3D via the eyepieces and on the built-in screen. Its ergonomic design and built-in 4K Ultra HD display reduce eye strain and physical fatigue, letting you work comfortably for extended sessions. Capture stunning 4K images and video, or share your inspection on an external monitor via HDMI, all without the need for a separate PC. The integrated software provides measurement and annotation tools, enabling precise documentation and efficient workflow. And to match your specific needs, the Spzv-50 Eidos 4K system can be configured with a variety of stands and lighting options, ensuring optimal functionality for every inspection task. With the Spzv-50 Eidos 4K, you get a fully integrated stereo zoom microscope system that combines the optical power of a high-performance microscope with modern digital inspection, improving visibility, accuracy, and productivity in electronics, precision assembly, and medical device applications. Experience a complete inspection solution built for performance, ergonomics, and precision all in one system.